in fact Bible no ame atiase se onipa ewu a mamoma yenka na kirasem ekwan a ofa so a owu wawu diaka a ewo se ye hwe ne se asomdwe ebeba ni wu achi nti why na the matter of say when I kunu when I
me dey Isaac Odwampo obetun afem the great ampo mbrembren wonu me nka mo ni hwe too much G8 mo ye too much na me so me ye am fire.
Mama Aquaba strong call eba too much GHS so na ama owusu a enemy dey na ebreso ewie edrese trending issues me dey be some more ebo ye fide ye eso na ye call ensem no eso no endrada ye Apostle Dr. Isaac Owusu Bempa wokopiemu ebo the seat show so at say na 2 honorable Kennedy Japan channel so at say wo mu edi nkomo efa wo man wo no na the wokopie show no so na ebisafo wokopiemu wo no ni yichire bia na woche no emu no wonya ya no wode atudwa ewo channel no so tesen in semno so de emudo ankasa according to Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa what that glorious word ministry glorious word power ministry international no what they to just say eyichire no emu no wo hu se akoma nipa akoma miensa no ejira wo ma nipa miensa a wo mi etitufo wo man mu wo mo edi rusie etu champagne chese a wo mo eji omeni a ebra former president JJ Rawlings wada ni munu eda wo menu atese wo mo etwa wo ehia wo ni je emu na wo pa chese ensana na wo mo etu a wo mo akoma no ederu senia no chese papa no ewuo na wo no eyade na woni omeni eda so a wo mo hwe nim se nkebesi enu nti enu ani kese wo mo eni je no efare baya na wo mo edi omeni wo mo twa no ho ehia tese wo ka edi esi so se former president ni wo wuye no enye natural se ne yehunu no enye kwa saa enye tira kwa na ebiemu so no wo ma no wo mo edi rusie ewo ni mu no se bo hu wo ne yichire ni mu no wo mo so wo mo via no mo tia bonte na tese wo be fra edom ni mu wo mo a eye papa no ewuo no eho ya aba wo mo so na tese wo ma be fra mu no mo so wo mo esubi na wo ka this otaka this so se saa enkofo miensa na wo hu wo mo no wo mo ye enkofo bi a womo eye nipa bonifo mu tim osuma nkasa atese womo esa pritumi atese womo petumi ewo wo man mu no wo ka susu dia se tumi no womo pene pa de se wo menya de da embe mu da womo nya bikosi da womo bewu se wono Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa ti ase pa de onani ehu da se womo se nya tumi biem ewo wo man emu no no de asema yede atu na no so en woka wo nsuro asema woka no na Ghana ha ya no te wo bia so etumi enkunu esan asema wode abetu dan ebusa for di ye anase yichire yi edinsempi na abetu dan na wo be nya ba se ni nya nso no me de abeso me nti metwa me ho ade abasesia na abusia for me sato mamo akwa babiem na me kan say tweko I say MIDH Ebremo Mama Juliet Ventures Mama Juliet Akodare ewo kitchen with papa the bit mama wo bar we round kitchen within 5 minutes we pia to say aduane abia special no ho adwuma and wo ye nti fa number no ewo ase wo na frɛ no na to say emitewa mu nya response every me wo dem sese hu anyama so eka ho bi nti bomodi anefa Mama Juliet the number no na ebiem so no loan master womo ema abaye dwumayefo a womo eje wo maketia edi free controller and account office womo tese womo bosia a emu so ankasa me say minya abaye dwuman kama ye pa because of low master bosia womo timi di manipa muti be just get to say the chedi pass won fa go eduma na wonya na fa so wo metua muka na de say dia edin e de wo ma fa wo me interest rate so e wo form boko nti woni how bia e wo chiriti bo modia so we aba eduma nurse ni police ni de wo ye bia no wo betimi afa wo mo number no wa from na wetimi nya wo bosia within 24 hours loan master wo mo ye papa pa ene day ensem say na emu esifa do sifa tie nti ehu be hia se be ni obi ono so betimi chire hu mu ensem mu na ye no edi enkomo edi afa won nti yato nsa edi afre Covenant Prayer Chapel of Upeni Awada no eye Pastor Richard Obriye Babame na me mano akwaba shonko e bo akwaba
ejo so na wa
ibi agoko
Kristo tiase ya ho ya pa
ya ho ye ne se obi ahye mu bi
ene kre
so ma mu wo
o mpa
asafo ma wo
so ma we di ka so
obi ahu ye dia ne yeko Pastor Richard Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa o hwe Ghana ha ni jumeti se odi for kasa efa wo man no eho ne teach you politics ne de keka ho no for some time now no we are at the center of so many controversies because of edi ya wode ebetuja na anu ada so ya wada the Black Thursday I say your former president JJ Wallace with me at one anam e won se do abrebo a o man FM the busia for FM na yenim se o 73 there we need we dey enye boni bia sa wan sam breso sa ye se o yare e kakre bi pe no different na ye bete say Reverend Owusu Bempa ba betu edwa say enye ni buanu no obi anase nkofo bi na wo mo eta eche na ebie mu so wo mo say di ho awusie no na te say ensem no wa wote e muti asese
na ma me da se bebre bia director obi aso so ye chia no ye beda ye cameraman papa so ejamriku obodwuma kese already shira no
yo
nkano onkoso no modwuma
pa so mama ni shira no majibi asira de aka no mejama
matinana
okay
na ye to ansem no so ahun say Reverend Dr. Isaac Owusu Bempa ne nsem na odi abetu dwa no in fact Bible no am ya tia se onipa ewu a mamoma yenka na chiasem ekwan a ofa so a owie na oname epe eneni ba bia onipa no yede
oko
because onipa no wu achi se odi ba betu dwa se wei na ekun no wei na di bibi ehye fom wei ani eje in fact eche se saafo no na eyema papa je wu no eba na yemusa ya ho se o be ka sa asem wetu dwa na e de papa je asa aba nkom ana emfa ne mankom wawu diaka a e wo se ye hwe ne se asomdwe ebeba ni wu achi
na metwasi ya ye ni swadi hu we ehu hia kra se ke se fa di ye di tudwa
na ma ehu nshada ehia ehu hia so di sasam we eba be tudwa awo mpirimpirin ba bia oman no yaduru oman ni hia sa ho ne kum papa je nkofo ye nsa be na hia kira aye we wo be kasa de ma we a wo sanso ade niama bi na eba oman ni mu papa na busua oman mu ni nyina because ade na to oman no ani na oman Ghana nko an abebre mu ha amama ne kura na obi bia na obati se papa je Ghana president afri mu no ex former president afri mu no obi an se dabi eni kwan se eba sa but yem hwe papa no so ni age bia na ona me na to ne sanso gyan de friend nti abusa onipa ya na yenkwa na ye adiosia abroso aye de ya aduotwe so na se onipa no adiosia no na adioso na Bible no kan won podi e watimi anya ama na aye de ama na brosa
3 years
kwa sa be abeto so wo se se epa wa de aka nyina aye wo haw eni amane nti nyame in his own na dream anu nyansam no ofiri sha bia papa ne tena se cha wo hwe ya na de beto no na ankoye papa so therefore na me to ne nsa emfre no nti why na the matter of say when na kuno when I say me did say Reverend Doctor onim sa de ma we say sa de we e wo twini hwe na ye de aka because so be kan no fa papa ne say ensa ne de ensa mama ba ki biem nti ehun nya say wo de san sem we be de e betu ja ehun ya
na ye ebre papa je efim no dey now Thursday no film na call the name ba na what you mu no yet sempi enkophobia mu ba bonte ene Papa J wo owu no yemi yapa because na say sad wo ya odi a odi atu mini mebusuafo so kan na say ko mre yetete sem yetbi mbodi mu but yetete enkophobia enum nsem se wo mo keka bisa say no mo expect class obewu e wo kwa emu ya classes a na ntimi entimi kase papa no oti ase no ni atafo nti se o atafo na wewu a se e dia ara na atafo ni be tese wewu ana ameboa
esa
nti se nipa miense bi tu champagne jubilate no we yi kire ade enya nsem na wo
say dear Osubempa, Reverend Dr. Osubempa, Kenyo. Some conform sana or can on. Umusa, Papa J. Conforna as you said, and can you ever time 7 I say, dear, or day, or we. If he said, Nipanum bebre, a bushafo bebre. As you said, Papa, before Nigre, ever go to the grave, and over journey the ancestors. Na I was so suffer near ma or the uncle. And I did the Amansa, and you also say, and then you pay me and sap back, and then you pay me and sap baby. And I should shut Papa, and him go say. And you never or 1 2 on was it. Then for 4 intimate for bonnet and check, and I can add a shusha. And I dare not intimate Amansa until your papa should then pass on the cast uncle for me and say, oh no. Papa Osubempa is looking beyond Omaya so painful about Papa J. Here, confirm me and son. Or person chance on NDC party, which one to me and for dinner the Amatuga, until so to me for dinner Amatuga. Because of the one each was in each other day, about anything will see a concluded there as some.
To say one more answer pray to me because each and what I said, one more age in to me. I mean, but me clear about some kind of say. Some people are obsessed with power and don't value lives, but they will never be granted that power. Those say one can perform and sano and only obsessed with power, but as same one or can say and go for you won't pay to me pa. Now to me dear, I won't more open to be dear noir. I almost did so may say nipa kwa crown on just to crampo and no more to me grandpa and form home. Then you know. To me dear and some of them when say a yak where I said one more sabi one would not play to me so much not to be as an oka.
Son of a sort.
I know why this is NDC MVP break, Freedom Party break, one more pre PPP break, CPP break, NDC one and I would have been a tough one and I said, well, it's a tough one. NDC grass I rollers on one party, dead and only a tough one.
Some said in Casayen. Or sit or the two gasset or sit and Kofubi na Rollins Tiasiano. Na a year one set as a almost a drum. You were cheap cram on me flat Nippon said you almost almost dear revolt Nanso or Macumemuno or Mudio to champagne and no ever new eso. That means some California and some of come once and said, who said, or more Acoma. At the down, so much as a young conform I want NDC, a man. But one to me, I'm waiting. Now, so Shan Casa anymore, it just said, some conform in the LP to me. And the other party, which is MPP, a bad to say some conform in the NDC, MPP, and go for NDC. And it means that some conform me and some, I will be a NDC. Now, some conform to be Timia, or Mumpo any Papa J. Won't there. Looking at Osubempa, some of us are there, some of us are chilling.
I can't afford so editor say, I question about pay you are so involved in politics. I said they say, and because the donor himself or NPP are fanning or so when you see any strategy, dear, what they be defame NDC, send a bear NPP for Benya, yeah. Higher following because one watch and come from the baby in the obey beers are winning in the baby. Say Tempicayo, say a Dio, say Moon or Becca the top on German Cofaji, a free NDC for to obey and not to say Abimusa. Now, no way I do what I find because of Nancy or the
say. A Bobia did you come baby and assume bedroom. so ati ase ana enkom se wo we ho se onipa ade betu dwa asodie da nipa nso especially when ususu se bia enkom se no enfrewade dem mo ba bia de ni free ba ye no o pese ade no ya ma de o kan e be ye adwuma that means say extra energy be extra even na de be food be wuram ebetima ba nkom sha na bebe mu so wo ye na ade ne de ebe nti wono mu no wo de ka hye nkom bebre nkom sha na wa hye no is in favor of new patriotic party which is MPP pesa ye de e ba power nti wono susu say ade ne de e tumi mienu NDC MPP and ono ayi na nim say ono de o hye nkom ade ma MPP nti ade bi obeye bia nipa no ba endorse MPP to power no ono ye de no oye
nti obeti di na meeting cry yes I jumani
excellent nti ne oyi anyina no in the name of MPP no oye enya bade dim no oye enya bade dim o
na say dey dim so because say menya yi kira eye hunhuma de ye kire anya me ba mu na mutai ka science no so because menya yi kira ida say nyankopon na edan bibi edi e de a kire ana say omo sum bon sama na say omo sum other gods no so omo ka say munya yi kire so a omo nyame no e na yi bibi e de a kire omo nti ye ni say Reverend Isaac Owusu Bemba so de nyame din emu no oye ne sofu de adwuma ewu nti so ka say ne sofu de mu ka say wenya yi kire a na ye su say nyame ana yi bibi a kire na me boa
na kre
e ho na be o de fakọ
all right na ma he say nyame sofu nobody is saying say man yi wanim emma a party obetimi obia vote no ba so obeyi wanim pass out dey okasa man MPP me I not sure say onyame be ka kire odi for say o dey always nkwam say na so dey say na support to MPP titi adi for no mo say nkom ba no mo say nkom awo man no o man we ye bon opani we ye bon ya okakanani opani we ye bon ya okakanani asana ebemedi ade na wanye nyinema ye onankopon ama adifo kwa kekanani abani sa ana papa Owusu Bemba de oni de ofiti sa osha omayu nkomi wo sha nkoma MPP NDC oni de nkomi se bi obese bia is in support or is in favor of one political party that is MPP which we are not saying say men your politics as I said free heaven. Yeah. Politics is in the Bible.
Okay.
The kingdom of God and the kingdom of Satan, it tells us something about politics.
Two major parties.
Okay. As someone do politics. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this because when we are on our pulpit, we are preaching one person. And that person is God. And then we say God, I hear you, and I'm going to say so here. Remember, sir, our heaven, no, bra obonsam asoritia oname no abofo no mu chetu ye benya obonsam ene na pamfo ene Kristo ene there na pamfo our politics. Anytime you see men of God preaching, they are doing politics.
Okay.
But I church politics for God. So politics started in the Bible.
Okay.
But here is the case, and say, a software, a default. We don't do active politics. Pastors must involve in politics, but there's a difference between involving yourself in politics and active what politics. Active politics means so dear. You engage yourself. You engage yourself in it. Always. I mean, party B, party B, party B, which it is a politician, and also a customer one political party. It is also for the customer one political party all the time. They are not just engaging or active politician, and also Bemba, we are active politician. And I do Nyanko Pondi Amakatasu. Anna, in some person come MPP no. They'll be our sin, I said, but the can say, Ghana is so name. Until Obia the cousin Amesia, we give the person a listening ears.
Okay.
And it also the Bemba wants the people to listen to him. So therefore, Obia is also for Castle Drew. The other person, young politician, yeah. Men for Nanko Edin at Amatown. Now the person the customer one party, the Nanko Podi ka wo dia e de beti nya kasa towards one party e to so bempa onya sofo ne wo ye ye ni na oya politician
na ebiemu nso se ade na wo hu ye se no krasem se ade wo mu se nipa bi taiche ye former president JJ Wallace ni wo le chi na te se ni owu wie ye no wo mu ejubility wo makumemu na te se wo mu ba abonti a wo mu de tuma akata wo meni na te se wo mu so ni ye ni adi arewa na no wo mu so no dia na beka form so wo di pre to minti dia na beka form because so no so hu ye de tie anye ne hu ye wonu de hu ye no so de atoja ya bobo hu ya chechire mu ye hu ni se be political de but din ne mu no se no kwasem se wo hu bibi sa so a wo hu wo mu no so no dia na e fa wo mu ta na mo no motu e wo hu ma femu na wo mu emani age e wo te se kokua mu na mo ba bonti ase mu dia bebo no so no dia na beka form
yo me da se be pre se NDC for no efin se kokua mu no se Papa J wuo no aye omo enkunim dia they should be careful.
Okay,
send the prophet also bempa eka so omo fin sha Papa J wuo no ana be boa amo atimi aba power ene be se be ka che omo se hwa adekom tiase mpu yeso e sama na kwato sama mpu na wo sia adekom tiase na so e sama na ya tam no ama no so abo na bo na ya kwato na twin sama mpu
be
ade atumi no o tumi a enka wa nko na so tiase nti onipa no oni tumi na no be bi aba na wie ye nti ana onami ato ne safre no ade nti so na ato ne safre na mo fi nsa mo de ne wuo akoya sacrifice be koya suma bi a ne woni mu nyina asa asiya wi ade nti I don't think mo fi nsa they will come back to power there. They should be careful. Ultimate for human blood. Ultimate anko sacrifice a onipa bi ankasa o do the power. Because I will sacrifice obi now about power. Also obi so aye bibia and also aye higher down there. Oh dear. Indeed, say sadia and almost not careful because any go say a bit in head.
Ready, the common baby and santi will final words a footstool and semi chat to be a better one catch a phone. Wait me there soon. And I'm made a celebrate me too. If you are seeing half for sir, your election year a dear phony be better one, sir, or more Kasa ama party be. In fact, or more Kasama party be. But what me do on Uncle Podi Abba, some party be no more, Unamena no more yet a Kasaba, if you are not party be no more Kasa, a man. A bassa, we are Christoni, and now we are voter. You're very careful. Electorate, but you're careful. Now, ask it. Send it over Faswa, over the over to Waba. If you make a chat and said, and MPP, NDC. Ye na nim sa omoya amanyoko mi nu omoya strong ewa oman Ghana emu enti ma omo anyina ya Papa J ewu so na nkasa Papa J owu enti obi a ya se ne be ya obetimi afa papa ni wo so na ode aba power obi anya nyuma pa na oye nyuma pa onyuma pa mu no oman ni behu ne waye ye betimi ato aba ama nso waba power ya papa wo so be mpa so de twatwo ni ya sa ne sa ne nkasa ye mu no se onyame ana ne kasa ona careful na wo hu se wafa so obefia obekasa na ne kasa bi wono ma e do we ne basabasa ye na be oman ni eno basabasa ye eno be man mu Pastor Richard Obriye board that Covenant Prayer Chapel ano na sabre wache na je akusi na wo pen number na che se woni na di nkomo ko twetwe bia paye bia betimi afa number no ewo ase ha inu ano na die mu so no so no kire na adwen no wo so bomode for adwen twe fa nkomo ya twetwe ase no esom ye ewo comment section na follow yen ewo ye Twitter and your Instagram handles @tumagh_. Facebook so too much GH. Nana ama also enemy. You ever say they shopping makramo?
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomade na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nyane bone pa na kase pe wo wi ase ya asonde asonde nti na Adam wo hu nyame yenu nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade kat won na bomade na be hwe too much GH bɛhwɛ na subscribe bɔmɔden o bɛhwɛ pɛ na wayɛ subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wobɛnya ne yɛma papa a wopɛ ahwɛ nyame hyira wo na wura